Be ready. Start. Whether medical oxygen and nitrous oxide can be treated as medicines for the purpose of levy of tax under the Kerala General Sales Tax Act 1963. For short, the act is the question involved in this case. Para. The SSC is the revision petitioner. State is the respondent. The assessment year is 1987-88. The SSC is engaged in the manufacture and sale of medical oxygen and nitrous oxide. In the assessment for the year 1987-88, the SSC contended that the said two items are liable to be assessed at the rate of 5% under the notification GO number 242/84/TD. The assessment was originally completed by assessing medical oxygen at 5% under the above notification and nitrous oxide at 6% under the entry number 85 of the first schedule to the Act as it stood at the relevant time. However, the said assessment was reopened under Section 19 of the Act on the ground that medical oxygen and nitrous oxide are liable to be assessed at higher rates. In spite of the objection taken by the SSC, the SSC authority passed a revised assessment order dated July 22, 1992 in bracket as Annexure A, under which medical oxygen was assessed at the rate applicable to gases liquefied or not at 8% under the entry number 85 of the first schedule to the Act, which came into force with effect from July 1, 1987. 85 of the first schedule to the Act, the contention of the SSC nitro oxide is a medicine was also rejected by the assessing authority by stating that it is sold by the SSC in gaseous form and this also is liable to be assessed at the rate applicable under entry number 85 of the first schedule to the Act. Para. In the appeal filed by the SSC, the Additional Deputy Commissioner, Agricultural Income Tax and Sales Tax by order dated September 20, 1984, Annexure B, dismissed the appeal by affirming the order passed by the assessing authority. The further appeal filed by the SSC before the appellate tribunal also was unsuccessful. Learned government pleader appearing for the respondent, on the other hand, submitted that these two items would squarely fall under entry number 85 of the first schedule to the Act, which deals with all gases not elsewhere provided. The government pleader submitted that the expression other than those specified elsewhere in the schedule in entry number 85 deals only with other gases such as petroleum, gases, etc., and not with reference to medicines. The government pleader submitted that going by the common parlance theory, also medical oxygen and nitrous oxide, both being gases, are understood only as gases, and the assessing authority and the appellate authorities have rightly found that both the above items are liable to be assessed at the rate applicable to gases under entry number 85 of the first schedule to the Act. The first appellate authority had adverted to the contention raised by the SSC on the basis of the notification issued by the government. Stop.